Introducing the Okp L1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the future of home cleaning at your fingertips. Revolutionize the way you clean with our cutting-edge technology. Thanks to our advanced Lidar technology, the Okp L1 maps your home in real time, ensuring it never misses a spot. 360-degree Lidar navigation guarantees maximum floor coverage. It's like having a robotic butler that knows your home like the back of its hand. With its unique FreeMove 3.0 technology, the Okp L1 effortlessly glides under furniture, reaching those hard-to-clean areas. Say goodbye to stubborn pet hair and hidden dirt. Our powerful 3800 PA suction power digs deep into carpets, leaving them fresh and clean. It's like a mini hurricane sweeping through your home, minus the noise. Controlling your robot cleaner is easier than ever with the Okp app. Set cleaning zones, choose multi-clean modes, and even customize the suction power according to your needs. But that's not all. The Okp L1 is also your voice-activated cleaning assistant. Just ask Alexa or Google Assistant to start cleaning, and it's on its way. Worried about it taking a tumble? Fear not. Our enhanced anti-drop technology keeps your Okp L1 safe and sound, even near stairs. And with a spacious 500-milliliter dustbin, it can clean more without needing constant emptying. That's less work for you and more time for the things you love. The Okp L1 boasts a long-lasting battery that runs up to 150 minutes on a single charge, ensuring your entire home is sparkling clean. Make your life easier, your home cleaner, and your floors spotless. The Okp L1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, your reliable cleaning companion.